Hey, what's going on everyone? There is still time left for the launch for the next Samsung S series phone, which will be called the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. But we have gathered some of the details of this upcoming series from various online sources. So in this video basically we will discuss what we got to know so far about the upcoming S22 series. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Souvik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, we want to tell something important. Almost 99% of the audience watching our video have not subscribed to our channel. So you all are requested to smash the subscribe button to stay connected with us and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Samsung will launch the Galaxy S22 series next year. Considering the company's usual timeline, the release of the devices is about 6 months away. But a new leak has now purported to provide some details about the next-gen premium devices. According to the source, the Galaxy S22 series will sport a 6.06-inch display, while the S22 Plus and S22 Ultra will offer a 6.55-inch and 6.81-inch screens respectively. That means the S22 and the S22 Plus will be smaller than the S21 and S21 Plus, while the S22 Ultra will mostly be the same size as the S21 Ultra. The S22 and S22 Plus will both have to make do with LTPS panels, with the S22 Ultra getting an LTPO display. Interestingly, the S22 and S22 Plus are tipped to offer smaller batteries than their predecessors, with battery units clocked at 3800 mAh and 4600 mAh respectively. The S21 has a battery size of 4000 mAh, while the S21 Plus has a battery size of 4800 mAh. The S22 Plus is touted to retain the S21 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery. The Galaxy S22 series is set to ditch the under-display selfie cameras entirely. That may be due to the poor performance of the technology in its first-gen form. At the rear though, the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are tipped to sport a 50 megapixel main camera aided by 12 megapixel telephoto lens and ultra-wide angle shooters. That implies a return to an actual optical zoom lens for the two phones. The S22 Ultra is listed with an 108 megapixel main camera, two 12 megapixel telephoto cameras and 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a laser autofocus sensor. The phones will be powered by Exynos 2200 and its AMD RDNA2 GPU in few markets, while most markets will get Qualcomm Snapdragon's 898. Memory and storage configurations are expected to be identical to Galaxy S21 series. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about the Samsung Galaxy S22 series in the comment section below. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. A like will motivate us to make more informative videos for you. Also, to support us, please subscribe to Phone Politics, and the social media links are in the description. You can follow us from there. See you guys in the next video. Sayonara.